Tronair, the most trusted name in aircraft ground support equipment.
Hi, my name is Robert. I'm working for the aftermarket sales department here at Tronair. Today, we're going to be going over some of the specifications as well as a brief demonstration of our O2-7947 portable tripod proof load tester. This tester has a capacity of 35 tons or 70,000 pounds, as well as a working height of just over 7 feet. The display and the load cell that are installed in this unit are rated for 200,000 pounds, and we recommend having it calibrated in yearly intervals to ensure accuracy. This unit has 8 adjustable height points, with the 4 lower points being half the distance apart as the 4 upper points. It's worth noting that this is useful when utilizing our K-5198 adapter kit, which allows you to test axle jacks as well. The main use of this unit is to test hydraulic, structural integrity, as well as set and determine pressure relief points on all tripod jacks. To adjust the upper bridge, we've integrated forklift pockets for supporting the load. Simply remove your linch pins on all 3 legs, remove your adjustment pins, set your desired height, reinstall your adjustment pins, reinstall your linch pins for safety, and you're ready for testing. To determine the height needed, take your jack being tested, raise it to the max extension, and choose the adjustment point lower than the ram. Tronair recommends that all axle and tripod jacks be proof loaded in yearly intervals, and all pressure relief settings are followed to the OSM for the jack that you're testing. I'll now demonstrate how this unit is used using our O2-0526 5-ton tripod jack. Begin the test by closing your release valve on the jack itself. Begin bringing the ram up to the load cell that is installed on the unit. Pressurize the unit until the pressure relief on the jack itself engages. Thank you for watching our informational video on our O2-7947 portable jack proof load tester.
For more information, contact product support at tronair.com or call 419-866-6301.